We want to find out the day of the week on 15th August 1947. 1947 is the current year. It is still going on. So, till date, we have completed 1946 years. So, we will call it completed years. Out of these completed years, we are going to take out the years which are divisible by 400. Out of this, 1600 years are divisible by 400. So we are left with now 346 years. Out of these 346 years, we are going to take out the years which are divisible by 100. 300 years are divisible by 100. Now we are left with 46 individual years. Now we will find out the odd days in these three categories. So, odd days in 1600 years. Here we have taken out the odd days which we have learned in the earlier lecture. So, odd days in 400, 800, 1200, 1600 and 2000 years is 0. So, odd days in 1600 years is equal to 0. Odd days in 300 years. Odd days in 300 years. In 300 years, odd days is 1. Now, odd days in 46 years. In 1 year, odd day is 1. So, in 46 years, odd days will be 46. Now, in these 46 years, there will be leap years. In leap years, we have one extra odd day. So, in 46 years, when we divide it by 4, because after every 4 years, we get a leap year. So, when we divide it, we get 11. There are 11 leap years. So, every leap year will have 1 day extra. Odd days in 11 leap years is equal to 11. So, its total is 8 and 5. Now we have completed the work up to 1946. Now let us come to the current year 1947. So, in 47, January, February, March, April, May, June, July and August. In January, there are 3 odd days. In February, the year 1947 is not a leap year. So, in February, we will be having 0 odd days. In March, it is 3. In April, it is 2. May, 3. June, 2. July, 3. And August, it is 15 days. So, it is 3 and 3 is 6 and 5 11 and 5 16, 16 and 15 it is 31. So, total days are completed years 58, current years 31, so total it is 89. Now, we have got total 89 odd days, and when we divide the odd days we got by 7, we are going to get the day of the week. So, it is we are left with 5 odd days. 5 odd days means it is Friday. So the day of the week on 15th August 1947 is Friday.